Always remember, job is a wrong idea. Don't even ever look for a job. Always tell yourself that I am a job creator. I am not a job seeker. I am a job creator. So be a job creator. I believe that all human beings are born as entrepreneur, and we are told go the wrong direction, look for job. And if you take a job, that's when most of the case, that's the end of your creativity. So I said, don't ever dream of that. Be a creative person. Remain it. Become an entrepreneur.